Bullrush.
Falava and welcome to Fresh.
You're hanging out with Isla and Norman. Check out what's happening on today's episode.
Let's go.
Woo.
I don't know how to put this on.
Can you hear me?
I can read your lips.
Oh, you can read my lips? Okay. Tami Titi.
Tell Messina.
Yeah, that's where you went today, yeah.
Kia ora everyone, and warm Pacific greetings here from Te Komiti Tanga, downtown ferry terminal. My name is Simon Langi, and I'm the host for Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
What is it you seek?
Father, we implore you, help us escape this cursed dishes.
My name's Isla.
Falava, my name is Norman.
And we are
Young, Gifted and Brown. I'm from Whangalii, grew up in Sa.
I am from the beautiful Cook Islands and Samoa, and I'm a dancer, choreographer, and model. I always loved dancing. I used to go and watch my uncle Tadia Tawai. He would be in like mega schools. He told me to audition for the royal family. I ended up getting in when I was 11 and staying there for like 10 years. That was like quite a huge jump because I went from dancing for fun to realizing that like dance can also be a career, and the difference between good and great. They're the best for a reason. I was lucky enough to be a choreographer in Royal Family, and I loved seeing our young Pasifika and Māori talent that we have in RF. Taking them around the world, watching them live their dreams every day was like definitely a highlight for me, and that's something that RF does for a lot of our young youth.
Felt like that was why I kind of went into RF, opportunities that was there for us. Coming from SARS, like we didn't usually get that. Our first thing would be like to do sport, play rugby, all of that, like the pathway that, you know, our families always want us to be in. And here we are today.
Dance was my first love, you know, and so no matter what, it comes first to me. And so my whole journey, I'm just trying to make sure that my relationship with dance is strong. So if I need to take a break from it so that I don't like start seeing it as a chore, then I'll make sure that I do that. Damn Natives is our collective that we've created.
This Damn Natives was inspired from like an old Māori 90s hip-hop group.
They kind of talked about their struggles and also their achievements as Polynesians and young Māori men in Aotearoa at the time. We were kind of inspired by that and wanted our collective name to represent that too. So far, we've been mostly focusing on fashion and dance. We got hit up by our good friend James at Raynham Park on K Road. He's seen us come to a few events before and was wondering if we'd be keen to put on an event of our own.
So on three, a nice big voyage. 3, 2, 1! Let's go!
For us, we've always like been into fashion. I feel like we kind of just grew up into that.
Normie designed all the looks for our collection in the show, and his mama sewed them all for us. She had this like two-piece that was made out of siapo, a boob tube and a mini skirt, so not traditional at all, but that was kind of the point of our show, was to show like the traditional elements mixed with this new kind of fashion aesthetic that we kind of love. It was so cute to see Mum getting into it and being excited about things that probably she would have turned her nose up at once upon a time.
Being a creative is probably the best thing that's happened for me. Coming here, finding dance, falling in love of creating, probably never changed that, you know. I found the most amazing people. I have a beautiful family, beautiful girlfriend because of that. So yeah, probably never changed that. Keep doing you, keep thriving.
If you have anything that you want to do, but you're feeling like, oh, it might not pay the bills, or it might not do this, or someone might not approve, just rid your mind of any of that noise. It's all just noise. Once you let go and just go into everything being fearless, then God will lead the rest of the way.
3, 2, 1! Let's go!
Energy, 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 wow. To the energy, 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 wow. For the energy, 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 wow. To the energy, energy, energy.
Don't go anywhere, we'll be back soon.
We've got more freshness coming right up.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Music. Music.
Johnny, make sound of vowels out.
Music.
Maury!
Public Island Society is really just about merging streetwear with a little bit of fun, a little bit of evening wear, and just a little bit of culture and all of it in together.
Welcome back.
Let's see who's
Keeping it fresh.
Welcome to the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. Woo! Kia ora, everyone, and warm Pacific greetings here from Te Komiti Tanga, downtown Ferry Terminal. My name is Simon Langi, and I'm the host for Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
Well, we are T-minus 30 minutes until showtime.
I guess the goal for me personally is just to bring the energy.
I'm here tonight for the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. I'm so stoked.
I've been really fortunate to work with Auckland Transport. They've been really accommodating to the big bodacious idea. This year's theme is Navigator, and the theme was put together by Sammy Salsa. Pretty much is telling the story of how Pacific Fusion Fashion Show are now transitioning into New Zealand Fashion Week, going into mainstream spaces. So how do we remain authentically Pacific, trying to meet the demands of the different clients in the new spaces that we're going into?
My collection is called Kanyara and Winifi, which means Valley of Dreams in Chamorro. So my collection is inspired by ancient Chamorro pottery. It's a tradition that is no longer being practiced today, which is why I wanted to bring it back. In the Northern Marianas, we don't have any fashion schools. We don't really have fashion opportunities, so it's really about creating opportunities for yourself. And I'm really happy that through that, I was able to get here at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. I believe I'm the first designer from the Northern Marianas to be here at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. Since I was a child, I loved fashion design. My mom has been a supporter since I was a kid. She would allow me to wear whatever I wanted, even though it was kind of like I was in my wacky, weird phases.
And what things are we in now?
We're an elegant, demure phase.
Very much fall.
I gotta say, there are some amazing designers, and I'm a huge fan of Maru Creations. Pacific fashion to me is basically just showcasing what makes our unique Pacific cultures fresh and amazing, and I think we are super fashionable people.
I was looking for a surprise, so I definitely think I love Laboriel Fiji. I think it's fucking Soul 97.
Come in all different shapes and sizes, and we celebrate that.
Seeing representation on the runway is so important, and I think everybody deserves to be seen.
Public Island Society is really just about merging streetwear with a little bit of fun, a little bit of evening wear, and just a little bit of culture and all of it in together. Just like this collection that I've just shown tonight. I describe it as being punched in the face with like an orchid flower. So that's pretty much the antithesis of it all, yeah.
Maru Creations was created about 7 years ago. My mum taught me how to weave when I lived in London over Facebook. And over that time, it's become a whānau working kaupapa where we're able to create stories through weaving, sharing the beauty of te ao Māori with the world.
It's an experience that you have to feel for yourself.
I was very anxious during the first part, being new, having to rock heels. But as time's progressed, I think the people and the entire experience has been fun.
In terms of the theme for this year, I think it reminds us that the ocean doesn't separate us, but it connects us.
Aniva created my headpiece, and that's my Samoan side. And then on the back is my Jewish side. And to be able to bring all of my cultures together in fashion is something that I love. That's what it is. Fashion is just an expression of my soul.
Pacific fashion, I think, is our stories on our garments. I think a lot of us have histories of our mums and our aunties always being our seamstresses. We've got fashion in church. We all have the puletaha, the puletasis, things that we're so used to wearing. And now it's in New Zealand with all of our creators. We've got modern day fashion. I just love what we've got now, and I love that our Pacific people have options to choose from, that we can proud to be wearing our heritage ourselves.
Talofalawa. My name is Brandon Cooper.
My name is Levi Milford. My favorite place to eat in Samoa is Bella's Kitchen.
And mine's Fat Burger. Today we're gonna play
Read My Lips.
Let's get it.
I was about to say. I don't know how to put this on.
Can you hear me?
I can read your lips.
Oh, you can read my lips? Okay. Tami Titi.
Tamasina.
Yeah, that's where you went today, yeah. Tamaititi. Tamaititi.
Tamasese.
You got it right.
Tamaikis.
Mari.
Mary.
Taco.
Taco.
Taco. Nah, go on.
I'm reading your actions, not your lips.
Sorry, man. Banana. Banana.
Banana.
Can you hear me? 5 feet out.
5 feet out.
Drop go.
Tropical.
Drop go.
Tripod.
Yeah. You got it right.
That was right.
Nah.
Oh.
Tuangani.
Tree?
Yeah.
Tree something?
Yeah. Need a whole word. Whole word. Yeah.
Tree?
Yeah.
Coconut tree?
Yeah.
But you didn't say coconut.
Because you can't hear me. That's what. Alright, let's go. Let's do this.
Music. Music.
Johnny, can make sound of vowels out.
You see.
Mori. Mori.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Swimming pool.
2 people.
Swimming pool.
Huh?
Swimming people. Swimming pool. Aso sa. Aso
Sugar.
Aso.
I saw.
May I? May I?
Eating.
Oh, may I? Can you see my mouth?
Okay.
Sing. Sing. Sing, sing, sing.
Singing.
Yeah. Oh. Referee. Referee. Referee? Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Loku. Loku.
Yo-yo.
Loku.
You win, bro. You win, man. I hate this. You win. You get it. You came all the way from some Messina. You win.
Don't go anywhere. We got more freshness for you.
No, for real. Don't go anywhere.
Watching.
Did you say Bullrush?
Yes, Father. The children from across the road, they have challenged us to a match against those from the next street.
I once ruled the field of Bullrush.
Welcome back.
Manakata?
We got more fresh bunnies coming your way.
Brother, I grow weary of this cursed duty. These dishes will be the end of me.
Hi, Leviticus. My arms feel as if they are ready to be severed from my body.
Let us simply rinse these plates, stack them high, and make haste to the yard.
Do you think Tina would not notice? She would drag us back by our ears.
Then we are doomed. We shall never see the end of this labor. It clings to the pad like gout to my ankle. Listen to me, brother. Let us simply tell Tina that we have grander purposes today. Such talk is treason against the fun. We cannot endure this tautorage forever.
The path you walk is dangerous.
We cannot fight this battle alone. We need him.
The very one who could barely escape last year's Gongai with his skin.
No doubts. No hesitations, only victory.
Strength and honor. Look at him. He is within his own realm. You will not help us stand against Tina's decree. Leave it to me. Fetch the ipuki.
Father, we bring to you the ipuki, and freshly procured when it is from the house of the night.
Enough with the pleasantries. Out with it. What is it you seek?
Father, we implore you, help us escape this cursed dishes.
And what did your mother say?
For them to be spotless before she returns.
And have you completed your feaus?
No, Father.
Then you know very well what my answer must be.
But, Father...
Finish your feaus. Only then may you take your place among the free.
Bullrush shall have to wait yet another day.
Fakali, did you say Bullrush?
Yes, Father. The children from across the road, they have challenged us to a match against those from the next street.
I once ruled the field of Bullrush.
Then you, Father, understand the weight of this honor. Stand with us in this.
You ask of me too much, boy.
But Father, think of what the people will say. Your sons, heir to your legacy, denied their rightful place on the field of Bullrush. Yes, and you, Father,
are the man of the people. And the people demand for Bullrush. 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 Bullrush.
You have twisted my arm, boys. Very well. Leave the dishes. I am the head of the house, and what I say goes. But promise me this.
Anything, Father.
When you run, sidestep hoka their nana, so that they may taste the shadow of your steps.
We swear it! By the game of Bullrush, we swear it!
Bullrush!
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 Bullrush! Mom!
Dishes now.
Copy. Hand me the towel, boys.
I thought you were king of the house.
Well, sometimes, in order for the king to rule, 1 step back, 5 steps forward. Now you listen to me, young men. One day there will come a time when this fork is more than just a fork.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today.
We hope you enjoyed our little corridor. Stay safe, stay blessed.
And keep it fresh.
Hello, my name is Wololai Chung, and welcome to my world.
Morning.
It's both of us, actually. So for this last move, we're gonna face this side. Spot here, follow, 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 and then you're gonna whip around and turn, but you're gonna keep your eyes to the front, and then you're gonna whip it around.
Thousands of people at the biggest Pasifika cultural festival in the world. Take your good attitude, leave your bad attitude, and keep the fear vibes up.